Today our goal is to get your Oaxray set up so that you can start making money right now. So first we are on the hey.oaxray.com. You'll be sent here once you subscribe to Oaxray. Sign up, put all your information in here, and it's going to allow you to log in. So your dashboard, once you log in, is going to look just like my screen. You're going to be able to click here and subscribe to whatever option you have available. So right here we see our API key. I can copy that. I'm going to need that later. Now we need to find the extension. I'm going to go to oaxray.com/extension. Oaxray is going to redirect you to where you can download the Oaxray extension. So once we're on the Chrome Web Store, all we hit is add to Chrome. It's going to ask you if you'd like to add the extension. Hit add extension. Once the extension has been downloaded, it could be hidden. If it is, go to extensions and then click on pin and it will bring it to the top of your extension bar. From here, just tap and it said key not found for buy list. We grab that unique key and now it's asking us for it. We're going to put it in and hit save. Once you put in your key, you are good to go. You can go to a website like target.com or walmart.com, type in toys. I just did a toy search. And once you're on a screen like this, you just left click Oaxray and it's going to bring up a new page with all the listings on it. And that's how easy it is to install Oaxray. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day and make some money using Oaxray.